Welcome back to another Crypto Farm video, where today we're going to be talking about the Owlz Congress Club. Now, this is 3,999 cyber owls, and the collection is absolutely crazy. They have endless utilities for the future. The Hootie token as well. You can get free mutant capsules for the mutant owls drop that will come in the future, and a lot more. So, really cool project. Today I'm going to be talking about pretty much everything going on right here. As you can see, one of the owls, it's absolutely magnificent, right? It's beautiful. It's just simply beautiful. And yeah, so they're doing some giveaways as well, and definitely recommend joining them on their Twitter, on their Discord, pretty much everywhere. You can check them out on their Instagram as well to learn a lot more about the project itself. So give these guys a follow, and let's move straight into the website. So 100 cyber owls will actually be airdropped for the community. So unleash the true power of NFTs with cyber owls. The future of the Ethereum blockchain is here. As part of the pre-sale, and only for early bird users, get it, early bird, or like early owl, lucky winners will be able to mint 100 of the unique 3,999 cyber owl NFTs for free. Be quick and join the Discord. Free giveaway, rewards, and passive income will be unlocked only for those that actually possess a cyber owl. So you can join the Discord community using this button. I'm going to show you just briefly how it actually looks. So you have pretty much everything right here, the announcements. You have the official link tree that you can find right here. You have some frequently asked questions, obviously. You have the Twitter information. You have a sneak peek of some of the owls themselves. I mean, absolutely crazy, right? And this is one of the capsules, actually. And once you actually have an owl, and if you get airdropped one of these capsules, which will be quite a high chance if you actually have an owl, you will be able to mint a mutant owl for free. So really cool. A lot of utility tied in with this project. So as you can see, if you mint one cyber owl, you can get a free upgrade. Of course, 500 of these limited edition mutant capsules will actually be released, and you can get a free mutant owl, which is coming soon. So they're going to be airdropping 500 capsules to the lucky mint holders. 500 lucky minters will get free limited edition mutant owls each. There will be a total of 2,500 mutant capsules up for minting, and a total of 3,000 mutant owls altogether. So very, very cool. A little bit about the story of the owl itself. A bizarre meteorite fell onto the earth. Little did the owls know that the meteorite cube would alter the owl's DNA forever. As the owl, all the owls started to hear a voice in their heads. Nothing shall stop us in achieving world domination. So they just became these cyber owls, ready to destroy everything in their path. It's not another profile picture NFT collection. This is very important to remember. These guys are actually embedded onto the Ethereum blockchain smart contract with IPFS storage, so any NFT minted belongs to the rightful owner. Now you can see the roadmap right here, V1.2. It was updated just a few days ago. Now, this is the first of their kind with altered DNA. To expand and dominate the world, they created the Owlz lab for experiment, fusing their DNA with meteorite cube to birth forth mutant owls in the future. So first of all, phase one, 10 times free cyber owls. So 3,000 whitelisted for pre-sale, 10 free cyber owls randomly given once. We have 3,000 members in the Discord. Now we do have phase two, which is a free upgrade to the mutant capsules. Airdrop of these capsules if you mint one owl, just as I said. So you mint one owl and you get a lot of utility for the future. That's pretty much it with this project. Total of 2,500 mutant capsules available for minting. Each capsule will be burnt on every transaction, merch, eShop for collectibles, and a lot more. Now the community wallet as well, so 50% of royalties collected will be stored in the community wallet, and the DAO community voting rights will be there. So if you join the community, or if you just become a part of the Discord, you will have a say in what happens to the future of this project through the DAO, but obviously you have to get an owl or two for yourself. Now, the Hootie token will be created in the future as well. So it will be integrated with the community wallet. And also, you can yield 10 of these per day and claim a passive income. Now, 3D and VX cyber owls will be coming out as well, where in phase 3, 60% of the royalties will be stored in the community wallet. So a lot of money to be used to actually upgrade the project and grow it into who knows what direction, right? This is something that the community itself would decide. And you can unlock a 3D or Cyber Owl version with these Hootie tokens in the future, which is going to be absolutely insane. And obviously in the future, these guys are looking right up ahead. The Owlz Congress Club will be coming out, where they will innovate with the metaverse space and push the Owlz Congress Club brand into the right direction. The 3D and VX versions used on platforms such as the Sandbox, and they will be developing Pixie Owls collaboration with other NFTs as well. So really cool. You can check out a little bit more about the team right here. This is the executive team behind OCC, and it consists of seasoned artists and investors and blockchain developers with over 30 years of combined experience. You have Edwin, Angelo, Manto, and Justin, the community manager. Really cool team. And a few frequently asked questions before we end off this video. There is a total of 3,999 Cyber Owls out for the minting. 3,000 whitelisted will be able to mint at the pre-sale. When is the minting? Well, once they hit 3,000 whitelist, they will start the minting as soon as possible. How much to actually mint a Cyber Owl? Well, the pre-sale will be 0.06 per piece, and the public sale will be at 0.0 not yet defined Ethereum per piece, to make sure it's affordable for most minters. So get on the whitelist if you want to participate in the pre-sale. Which blockchain are you using? Well, Ethereum with smart contracts using IPFS storage to give you the highest assurance that NFT minted actually belongs to you. And what is the Owlz Congress Club future? They're working towards creating a whole ecosystem and endless utilities that includes metaverse integration, NFT breeding, staking, rewards, and inter-NFT collaboration staking. All about giving back to the Owlz fam. This is what I like to see, which is why I've given these guys a follow on their Twitter, and you should too. Check out the Discord. Make sure to give these guys a like pretty much everywhere. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. This was the Owlz Congress Club. Definitely recommend checking these guys out. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.